Hey everybody, I'm back. Hey, I've got your feedback for the review and your test input, and I thought I'd go through that. And I want comments from you uh, as we go along. I'm going to need a little bit of help from you, only because I'm limited to this sucker right here. It doesn't really provide. I mean, I can adjust things as far as where it goes, but doesn't really provide that space that I need usually for these problems. So what I'm hoping for is a little help. But let me go over my plan and see if this works for you. Okay. Chapter 20 and 21 review and exam plan. Okay. First of all, I like the idea of multiple days for review. I am definitely available during the conference times. I found a little bit of conflict because I've got Physics 1, Physics 2, and General Physics. But not many people use it unless I'm offering extra credit. So, anyways, who are our winners from our class? Paul Flores. Good job, buddy. Anyways, back to the plan. There are so many resources for review, but I thought I'd say let's do 3 to 4 days of review. Okay. First of all, on AP Classroom, I've released items called progress checks. They're more conceptual, all right? There's 2 sets of multiple choice questions, about 33 total, and there are 2 free response questions. And I've looked at those free response questions, and they're very good review. So check those out. I think those would be a good thing to work through, and possibly we use those as review questions and items. But I don't know which ones you have questions on, so maybe we could use those. Second one, Giancoli homework questions. Although now we don't even know how we're going to turn in our homework. What are we going to do about that? So, that's a great question I just discovered. There are a lot of questions, and I was going through, I think, just chapter 20, and I found about 7 that might be good to review. But the problem is I don't have a lot of time or a lot of space to do those. What do you guys think about creating your own videos, maybe using, what are those called? Those, is it Google Keep and Chrome Canvas? I'm not sure what those are, but if you could record yourself doing a problem via Stylist in your Chromebook, do you think you might be able to do that? So I'm hoping you can respond to the question, and I might do a discussion board for that. Not necessarily needing all the responses from you, but I just need to know if you can help me out here. And let's see, the exam. Oh my goodness, let's look at that. 2 days. That's right. 2 days to complete the exam. It would be open book and open note. What? Yeah, I just saw myself do that. So, anyways, I don't want you to spend 12 hours on it. I hope you would spend some or set some boundaries. It will be via AP Classroom, and there will be multiple choice questions, and there will be free response questions. But maybe you could do the multiple choice and maybe attempt the free response. Not that you have to post anything, but then maybe the second day you can look into working on the free response. I will take comments on that, so I will set up another discussion board. So basically, this is what I would expect as far as our plan. Let's do this. Tomorrow's Thursday. Review. Friday, review. Monday, review. It's going to feel weird. You guys can feel like some of you are not even going to know what a weekday is and a weekend is now that we've got all this COVID stuff. Tuesday, review. Okay. And then Wednesday, I will release the test. All right. And you can work on it Wednesday and Thursday. I will have work on the test. I'm sure this is exciting video right now. And I would say due Thursday, midnight. I hate that. I don't want you to stay up that long. I don't want you to spend 20 hours on it. I don't want you to spend 6 hours on it. I would like you to spend maybe like you said, a block day. Maybe it's in a block day, maybe it's 2 hours, 2 1 hour periods. So set some boundaries on you. Oh, look at that typo. I'm so distracted by myself. Sorry. Anyways, I'm going to put this up on a discussion board. Get your feedback, but ultimately tomorrow, start reviewing, okay? Or start reviewing your notes, working on your homework. And we'll work through it that way. Okay? Sound like a plan? All right. See you later.